Since she graduated from the University of Missouri, Columbia, magna cum laude at BS in Geological Sciences and Anthropology. So she comes with a great pedigree. This project is pretty special because Amy's sort of done the whole enchilada. She's done it soup to nuts, was there for the very difficult early on field effort that was really quite extraordinary, required a collective effort, and has developed an important sedimentary framework, stratigraphic framework for this system, and has then continued on with that effort and produced or completed a set of sophisticated analytical studies. The committee today consists of myself, Oral Examination Chair Chris Johnson, Professor Wilkinson, Professor John Halfman from Hobart William Smith Colleges and the Finger Lakes Institute, Professor James Russell from Brown University, who's visiting us virtually or remotely via Skype, Professor Jeff Carson. So Amy is about finished and is off pretty quickly to a very nice position at ConocoPhillips, and Amy's going to be greatly missed in our lab. She's been a stabilizing force and very consistent and super helpful person for 5 years here. So looking forward to hearing the summary of this. So I'm going to turn it over to Chris, who's going to say a few words about the rules of the official rules of the defense today.
So Amy will give a presentation, and at the end of the presentation there'll be questions open to the audience. And after those questions are exhausted, then we'll have a very short break so that folks can leave and the committee can assemble for the examination phase of the defense. Dr. Russell, are you good to go?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're all set. No problem seeing anything, or?
Nope.
Okay, very good. So Amy, it's all yours.
Thank you. Thank you guys for coming to listen to me talk today. It's a pretty good turnout. So what I'm going to be talking about today, like Chris said, is the work I've been doing over the last 5 years. The title of my dissertation is Stratigraphic Framework and Quaternary Paleolimnology of Lake Turkana Rift in northern Kenya. I've separated it into a few parts. First, I'm going to talk about Lake Turkana itself and its geologic setting and its lake quaternary climate history. I'm going to introduce you to the data sets that I used for all 3 chapters. And then I'm going to talk about the 3 parts of my thesis. The first one being sedimentology and stratigraphic framework, as well as lake level change and the implications of that lake level change on regional hydrology. Part 2 is the application of a paleotemperature proxy called TEX 86. And the third part is a little bit closer look at precipitation